In the Easy Composites Layout Designer, there is a setting called Extra Empty Columns. And by default, this is none, and you've got the options for 1, 2, or 3. There is a specific use case for this. The use case is when you have more columns than the row with the maximum number of images has. So for example, in this design, we've got 9 columns. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But for the row layout, we've got 7, 6, 6, 7, and 5 here. So the row with the most images has 7, although there's 9 columns. So if we leave this at none and I'm going to hit a create layout preview, it's going to create us a layout like this. And if I know that I have 9 columns, but the maximum row has got 7, I'll want to put 2 for the extra empty columns. If I create the layout preview, this is what it gives us. So it's basically just leaving 2 empty columns. And this will make sense in just a moment. I've already built the layouts with all of the layers each way here. And so if we have the 2 extra empty columns, I'm going to align this template here and show you that it's going to all line up like we want. Okay, so that was the layout created with the 2 extra empty columns. Now, if we were just to build the layout and have this set to none, it's going to take the row with the maximum count and it's going to span that all the way across for the edge margins. So if we tried to align this template up, as you can see, this is not giving us the look we want because we've only now got a center space with 1 row because it spaced this out assuming 7 columns, when this is what we wanted. So you're going to have to kind of think through this if you're designing some layouts where you have rows that don't have an image for every column. If none of the rows have images for every column, you'll have to use this extra empty columns and then adjust your rows. There's actually another way to do this I discuss in the renumbering slots video, because you can build it. In this case, 9 by 5, so 45 images, remove slots and then renumber them. That's an option too. So there's a couple ways to do this, but that's what this option is for.